ASMX has a complete system of communications. It is part of the Hubbard Management System and is based on the org board. We will review the communication system in detail in a specialized series of video tutorials. In this video, we will discuss briefly how the user sends and receives messages in ASMX. Let's click on the envelope icon. We have opened Users Messages. On the left side, we see a panel with a few hyperlinks: Inbox, Pending, and Outbox. These are three standard communication baskets that are used in the Hubbard Management System. Drafts are temporarily stored messages. Also, you will see a hyperlink, Support. Here you may send a message to tech support. Let's click on New Message. A pop-up form opens. Here we create the message. First, we choose a message type. Let's keep the type Common. Common means ordinary message sent from any post in the organization to any other post. Here, we choose a post we are sending a message from. This user is assigned to only one post. Let's click in the field 2. A panel appears where we choose the addressee. Let's choose our user, Harriet Beecher Stowe. Now, a panel with the name and avatar appears in the To field. Here, we type the message subject. Let's type my first message. Here we type the message text. Hello. Here, we may change the font type or size, and we may also attach a file if necessary. Now we click on Send. A small pop-up window appears, as well as an orange flag with the number 1 on the envelope icon. We can also use the desktop notifications on our computer. Here is our message. Messages that have not been read yet are marked bold. Let's refresh the screen by clicking on the inbox. Also, a tab New has appeared, and we see the number 1 on it. It means we have a new message. Let's click on the title. A pop-up form opens. Here we can read the message that arrived. To reply to this message or to forward it to another post in the organization, click on Reply or Forward appropriately. Let's type Good and click on Send. We've answered. Now let's open the org board, Division 4. Here we see Mark Twain is assigned as the post IC in Department 11. This post is senior to the Manager in Service Delivery Preparation section. Let's go back to Messages and click again on New Message. If we change the message type to CSW, the look of the form transforms to CSW, Completed Staff Work. We see 3 familiar fields appear: Situation, Data, Solution. Similar fields we have seen in purchase orders. Let's click on the To field. Note that ASMX assigns automatically up the line where CSW will go through, according with the org board. We may choose the closest post or higher post. On each post of the CSW may be approved or declined. If we choose Order, ASMX automatically puts in the addressees of the junior post. Let's click on Common again. We can also change the message parameters. For example, we can set a reply due date. If there is no reply by the date selected, over the envelope icon, a red flag will appear indicating the number of overdue messages. The same red flag will appear in the Communications Center. The same red flag will appear here with the number of overdue messages. Note that the only persons with permissions to inspect the Communication Center will be able to review in this mode. Messages can also be searched. As we have seen in other videos, here is the simple search, and if we click on the arrow, it turns to expanded search with many parameters. Clicking on the arrow again switches it back to the simple search.